Hey everybody, Christin Finley here. Today we are going to continue through on our journey through the starter kit, and today I'm going to be talking about DiGize. So DiGize comes in your starter kit as a white label or in a white label, and so you know that it's safe for internal use. It also comes in a red label so that you know that it's great also for aromatic and topical use. So it's a blend of 8 different oils. We have tarragon, ginger, juniper, anise, fennel, patchouli, peppermint, and lemongrass. So we're going to be combating, or let me say, we're first going to be supporting all things digestive from entrance to exit. We're talking about your entire GI tract, your liver, your kidney, your gallbladder, and also your colon and your urinary tract. Okay, we're also, DiGize is combating a plethora of things to include swelling, indigestion, fermentation, intestinal discomfort, gas, belching, things of that. It really creates an unfriendly environment for parasites, fungus, bacteria, yeast, and molds. Okay, so this is a really great tool to never be without. It's been said that your stomach, your gut, your whole system here is your second brain. So it's really, really important because everything that you put in has to go through that. So it's really important about what you eat, how it gets processed, and how it gets eliminated. Okay, so if you're pregnant and you are experiencing morning sickness, it's a great way to use. DiGize is right behind your ear. It is warming, so it's great to dilute it, or if you're okay with it warming, it's because of the ginger in there. It's very warming. It's not hot, but it's warm. Let's see, you can also reduce motion sickness. You can do that internally, topically, by putting it right on your belly, and just by inhaling it works really great. I experience it, so I know, and also putting it on your temples. If you're in need of a chemical detox, DiGize is a great thing to have in your tool belt. It's really good at breaking down chemicals that are hard to get out of your body. If you're in need of a cleanse, which you are because you're a human living in 2018, you also need to be cleansing periodically, but especially if you're new to a lifestyle of clean eating and supporting your body the way it needs to be supported to work effectively. You've had buildup over however old you are, like all of these years has just been compounded buildup, and you need to get rid of that so all the nutritional foods that you're eating actually get absorbed. Okay, so you want to look at the cleansing trio. I recommend that you look at that first and do the cleansing trio, and then you also look at the 5-day nutritive cleanse. Okay. Also, if you, I meant to say this earlier, if you actually know that you need extra support for your liver, your kidney, and your gallbladder, you want to be using Juvaflex along with DiGize. It creates a powerhouse of support for those internal organs. You really want to look into that. And lastly, if you notice that people are coming down with crazy stomach issues that are being passed around from person to person, you want to have DiGize and Thieves in your tool belt, okay? And you want to have the gel caps, so be sure and put those on your next order. The gel caps are empty, and then you fill them up so that you don't have to actually experience the taste. Not everybody loves the taste of DiGize, and so it's just a really great way to take it internally and not have to taste it. Okay, so I hope that you found value in this, and we'll see you next time.